Right, we just got this car towed into us. It's got a bit of bearing knock. So we've got this stuff here. It's bearing in oil. It's a well-known fix. Works alright. You just pour it in the oil filler, and yeah, it should stop any sort of oil. It'll fix the bearings if anything. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Leave it overnight apparently, and yeah, look at that. It's just bearing in there. That'll work. Right, so we've put the engine treatment in. It's sat overnight, and we'll see what it sounds like. Let's start her up. Just give it a bit of a rev. Look at that. And there you have it. That bearing fix really worked. Soaked in those bearings, replenished the lost metal, and it's all good now.